What's going on out there, YouTube? We have something a lot different in store for you today, other than our normal pranks and challenges. But if you don't know,
peace.
We're the Bearded Nuts. Today we're going to be installing rock lights on Codie's Chevy Silverado. Also, we're going to announce that this truck is going to be a SEMA Build for SEMA 2020. So definitely click that subscribe button because you don't want to miss this.
Hey guys, we got it done. It got dark on us, so you can probably see it in the background there. But if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We're the Bearded Nuts, and we'll catch you later. Peace.